Good day to you YouTubers. Now my name is Michael Coates and I am the founder and creator of thesewingguru.com. Now the Sewing Guru is a website dedicated to teaching you how to sew and tailor, and it's all video based, so it's the best way to learn. Now we are giving away a free membership. Now all you need to do to find out how to get the free membership, email us at the site. So all you need to do is go to the link in the description below this video and email us, and we will show you how you can get your free membership. Now we are also giving away to the first 100 people that do this a free ebook. So be quick, because a lot of people that email us said, be quick, email us and we will also send you a free ebook. So that's it. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye for now.